Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing a get ready with me, and it's gonna entail my hair, makeup, outfit, and perfume for Thanksgiving. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it.
GRWM Productions.
So the first thing I'm going to do is get a nice heavy moisturizer to moisturize my skin, because I actually have dry skin, and now that I'm in Pennsylvania it is super duper cold and I need all the moisture I can get. Next I'm going to go in with my Fenty Primer, and this is the Hydrating Primer, and I'm just gonna put this on my cheek area because this is the area of my skin that is super duper dry and need all the extra moisture it can get. So I'm using the Maybelline brow gel to carve out my eyebrows. I find that the applicator puts on too much products, and I'm just using a flat shader brush to draw in or fill in my brows. So now I'm gonna go in with my corrector, and this is from Fenty Beauty. This is the orange shade, and I'm just gonna put it on the spots of my face that I feel like need correcting. I have some dark spots, also underneath my eyes and around my lips tend to be discolored when I put on foundation. So I'm just gonna put some of that on and blend it out with a flat brush, and then I'm gonna go in with some translucent yellow powder, and this is the Makeup Revolution powder, and I'm gonna set that orange corrector. And the reason why I'm doing this is because if I don't set it and I put a wet foundation on it, it's gonna slide all over the place and my foundation is not going to look seamless. It's going to have an orangey tint, which I don't want. So I'm going in with a drugstore foundation and a high-end foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, and also the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I'm mixing both of them because one is too light and the other one is too dark, and I'm in between shades since it's getting a little bit colder. So that's what I'm doing, mixing both of them. And as you can see, it's still a little bit too orangey for me, but I just have to make do with what I have. Now I'm going in with my hard candy concealer, and I'm just going to blend it out and get rid of that dark under eye and make me look more awake and alive. So this is the ColourPop concealer in chocolate, and I'm just using this to contour, and I actually put way too much on my face. I normally don't like this stark of a contour. That's why I was making that face while I was blending it out, because it was too harsh. I put too much down, but I'm gonna show you guys how to blend it out properly in a minute, especially if you put too much on like I did here. Now I'm putting on my powder, and this is the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. It's in a light shade, and I'm just using this to set my concealed areas to make sure that concealer don't move. Then I'm going in with a darker shade of the Micro Smooth powder, and I'm going to use this as my bronzer because I actually put too much liquid as my bronzer or contour, I should say. So I'm just using something that's gonna set it and don't put too much color on. So because I put too much liquid to contour, I'm trying to use as less powder as possible just to make sure it's not stark and it's not harsh. Another tip you can use to get rid of that is actually using your foundation brush to blend out your contour when it's too harsh or stark. So these are the colors that I'm using, and this is from the Jackie Aina palette. I'm using ginger, then I'm using that dark brown color, and then I'm using the orangey or red, I should say, more red base brown to warm up the eye. And you can use any eyeshadow that's of the same color family. A nice light brown, then a nice dark brown, and then a nice red base brown to warm up the eyes, and you should be good. Also for the lid area, I'm using the Desi Perkins and Katie collab with Dose of Colors. I'm just using a champagne color, and any champagne color will do for the eyes, or a light gold if you are of darker. A light gold if you are of darker complexion will look really amazing, especially for like something like I'm doing for soft glam. So that's all I'm doing. I'm gonna stop talking because I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing me talk and talk y'all to death. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that trap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah.
So this is the Desi X KD eyeshadow palette, and I'm just using that champagne color in the inner part of my eye. You can use any champagne color you want, or a gold will do just fine. And this is just my take on a soft glam eye.
Yeah, I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy.
So I'm going back in my Jackie Aina palette and using that dark brown color, and I'm blending the champagne color and the dark brown together so they don't have a harsh line, and I'm also darkening up the outer corner of my eyes. So for Thanksgiving, I always love to put on a nice liquid lipstick, and this is the Milani liquid lipstick. I'm just going to put in the nude color first, and then I'm going to put on the brown color. I'll actually link everything in this video and also in the description box so you guys can get the same look. This is an amazing liquid lipstick, and because Thanksgiving you're going to be eating a lot, I would suggest you wear something that's long lasting, that's going to stay on your lips like a liquid lipstick, or you go with just lip gloss. So that's what I'm doing. I'm putting on a liquid lipstick first and then some lip gloss, and then I'm gonna call it a day. I absolutely love how this came. I think this is about to be my new go-to nude lip. So I'm about to use the Kiss eyelash glue, and this is my first time using this eyelash glue. You do not need to let it dry. As soon as you put it on, all you need to do is shake it off like 2 times and then stick the eyelash on your lash line, because this glue dries super duper fast and it was giving me a hard time. Not only that, been I haven't been wearing lashes um very often recently. I've been skipping out on the lashes and also skipping out on putting eyeshadow on my lower lash line, because I feel like it just makes the eye look dark and it makes me look a little bit older than I like. So I like to skip out on the lower lash line. If you like eyeshadow on your lower lash line, you can definitely do that. But for this look, I want it to look soft, I want it to look sultry, and it's my definition of a soft glam look. So that's why I didn't do the lower lash line eyeshadow. So all I'm doing now is layering my necklace. This Jamaica necklace that I have on is actually from Amazon. The first one that you didn't see me have on is from, don't know where my mom bought it from. My mom and my brother actually bought it for my birthday. And this third one is from Shein. All I'm doing is layering them. My rings are also from Shein, and my earring and my ear cuff is from Shein. So my perfume is actually Guess Seductive Noir. I'm just getting into perfumes, so I'm not no perfume connoisseur, but this smells really amazing. It smells nice, and it smells just like how the name says. It smells seductive. So this is my cute and comfy outfit. I have some Calvin Klein sneakers, and then I have my dress from Shein. Absolutely love this dress. It's comfortable. It is everything you would want in a dress, especially for Thanksgiving when you want to eat and be super duper comfortable. So this outfit is for all the girls that love to wear heels, that are the fashionistas of the family, and you don't mind popping up to the house in some heels. This dress is from Zaful. I absolutely love it. It's comfortable also, and the heels just make it look well put together. I would definitely say you can do combat boots, wide combat boots with this if you don't want to wear heels. But this is my Thanksgiving look. Comment in the comment section which dress is your favorite, and how will you be dressing to Thanksgiving this year? Are you the cute and comfy girl, or are you the fly fashionista girl of the family? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.